Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do something pretty Halloween inspired, so this is what I came up with. I'm not sure about the orange around my mouth. It's kind of throwing me off a little bit. But I used these little rhinestones. I got them at Hobby Lobby a long time ago, but like look at how many are in here. And it was like $14 for all of these. So yeah. I did also use the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette for this. I literally used like 3 shades out of it. It was an orange, a black, and then like a tan to blend everything out. Okay, so I'm super excited because I ordered the Joker and Harley Quinn palette that just came out today from Revolution Beauty. This is what the Harley Quinn palette looks like. And this is what the Joker palette looks like. I also got the lip glosses for each palette. I didn't really care to get like the makeup bag and stuff, so yeah, so I'm super excited for whenever those do get here to definitely do something fun. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and jump in this video. My dog is walking around right behind me, so yeah. If you want to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Alright, so that was it. I'm gonna go ahead and keep this short. I will say the only thing that was really hard was when I was trying to draw on the spider web with concealer, because I literally didn't even practice. I just jumped right in. So I probably should have practiced that first, but I think it still came out pretty cool. So yeah. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't, so you can see future videos I'll be posting multiple times a week here on my channel. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.